Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing the TYA Fashion Makeup Kit. So it comes with 5 pieces of makeup brush and 2 pieces of blender puff combo. And I know this is not your usual makeup kit that you would want to purchase, but it is so economical, plus it gives you this vintage vibe. So this kit is basically perfect for anyone who's getting started with makeup because it has everything from blushes to brushes to eyeshadow palettes and even a hidden secret compartment below which has this touch-up kit that you can use anytime that you need. But do make sure to test this product on your skin, on your hands before you apply it to your face because it can be allergic to a lot of people. So be careful and use it on your hands before you put it on your face. I honestly think that this product is a steal deal and I bought it actually for myself, but my younger siblings actually liked it way much more than me because they're actually very new to makeup, so I've passed it on to them. So you can buy this for anyone who's just got it started with makeup.
Hello girls, today at Beauty Buys, we have a makeup solution for you, an all-in-one kit. There are times when you need to get that makeup look on the go. Sometimes, the perfect makeup look can't be achieved without a makeup kit. What you need is all your shadows, powder, foundation, brush, puff, etc. all at one place. And for that, we have exactly what you need. TYA makeup kit plus 5 pieces makeup brush plus 2 pieces blender puff combo comes with 5 varying makeup brushes and blender puffs, so all your makeup and the thing you need to apply it stays with you all the time.